Assalamu alaikum kids! Today we're gonna do Arabic letters.
Yes!
Say it with me in a louder voice. Hamza, Hamza. Ba, ba. The letter with two dots. Ta, ta, ta. Three dots letter. Ta, jim, jim. Ha, like an air sound. Ha, ho, ho. Make a smiley face. Dal, dal. Ro. Make a round face like this. Ro. Make a smiley face. Za. Make a smiley face again. Sin. Like you ask someone to stay quiet. Shin. Make a round face. Sod. Dod. Go. Zo. From your throat. Ain. Wine. Put your teeth like this. Fa. Hof. Make a round face. Hof. Kef. Kef. Lam. Lam. Close your lips. Mim. Mim. Noon. Noon. Heavy voice. Ha. Ha. Make a round face. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Very good job, kids.